I'll be showing you how to make braised ginger chicken using G's chicken marinade. The marinade has a sweet soy base and also great for stir fries or even pouring sauce over your noodles and rice. Cut 3 chicken thighs into quarters. I use thighs with skin and bone, but you can also do skinless and boneless if you want. Then slice 1 knob of ginger into matchstick pieces. Slice 1 chili or more if you really want it spicy. Mix your chicken with 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1/3 cup of G's chicken marinade. Mix well and marinate for at least 1 hour minimum. Heat up some veggie oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and then cook until fragrant and add in all of your chicken pieces. Stir and brown your chicken evenly and then pour in 1/3 cup of water. Add 1 tablespoon of G's chicken marinade and then cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Uncover and then add in your ginger and chilies. Continue cooking uncovered on medium-high for 10 minutes. It's optional, but you can garnish with some extra chili and then add some cracked black pepper. Eat this with some hot white rice. The chicken is zesty sweet with a little heat.